Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Huawei Y6 2019, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to go for the wireless, you have to go for the device connectivity, right here. Click on the printing and use the default print service. Right now smartphone is looking for our printer, and here we are, and we got here the two printers that connects automatically to our smartphone. So right now when we want to print something, we have to go for that thing. So I'm going for the picture in the files, and I pick up this one, and I'm going to open it with the gallery as always. And right now probably we have to click right here, or no, we have to go here for share. And here we have to find the default print service, but as you can see, there's this option is not available here, right? So we got the problem because we can print this picture. So we have to go back to our settings, device connectivity one more time, printing, and right now click to add the service. And right now you have to select the plugin from the company of your printer. So in my case, I'm going to download the HP plugin. So let's click on the install and just wait. Click open. Right now just go through the first setup, accept all of this stuff, click start, and right now go back to the settings. Sorry, we have to go for our file that we want to print. So let's go here, take this, and right now just tap on the share, go on the right side, and as you can see right now we are able to use the HP print service and we can print this picture. And here we have to of course select our printer, so there's fine, but it is still looking for something. Okay, there's some kind of the error, so we have to try one more time. As you can see, it's not working perfectly, but we have to try all the time. Don't give up. So maybe right now we are able to tap on it, and yes, as you can see right now we are able to print our picture. So there we go. All you have to do is just tap on this icon to print the picture. So don't worry if you have any errors, any problems, just go straight for that thing that you want to reach and it will be all fine. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.